ELVA is the new electrical clamping system from OK-VISE. It can be used on all machining center types in combination of manual or automated loading. Decoupling and coupling of power supply to fixture cannot be easier. When used with OK-VISE multi-rail concept, it is easy to set the fixture for different workpiece sizes by adjusting the stopper places or by moving the rails sideways on a platform like tooling column. The possibility to accurately adjust the clamping force is optimal when sensitive workpieces are being clamped. On the other hand, also large workpieces can be easily clamped. The user interface is intuitive and safe, utilizing two-hand operation. The core of the system is ELVA actuator, which is operated using safe extra low voltage. The automation of OK-VISE multi-rail is the most flexible way to implement electrical actuation. It enables you to clamp one or two workpieces automatically. With suitable installation sets, electrical clamping system is easy to install on any workholding platform. Block connector can be easily cleaned from swarf and cutting fluids by air. The modular design of this system guarantees rapid scaling up of your production. The system components comply with European safety regulations. Compared to traditional clamping automation, ELVA system offers numerous benefits. Take a step into next generation automation now. ELVA. Simplification in automation.